The MaxTalker MT-8S Walkie Talkies 10-pack offers a compact, slim design that is easy to carry for business teams, schools, churches, and outdoor groups. 16 available channels, voice-activated transmission, and adjustable noise reduction give these radios flexible, hands-free communication in busy environments. Each unit includes a rechargeable 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery and individual charging stand, providing a full workday of use on a single charge for most users. In open terrain, these radios can reach several miles, and their dedicated signal processing chip helps keep conversation stable where mobile phone coverage is unreliable. The included acoustic tube earpieces with soft silicone earbuds deliver clear audio, better privacy, and comfortable all-day wear compared with basic headsets. The package is ready to deploy out of the box with radios, batteries, chargers, clips, straps, and headsets for 10 users, and the manufacturer backs it with responsive support.